Hi guys, look at this question. The question is x square minus y square is equals to 1 and the x square plus xy is equals to 2. So there is a system of equations in which there are two variables and two equations and we have to find the values of x and y. Call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now dealing with equation 1, this x square minus y square is equals to 1. Applying the algebraic identity, you can expand it like this and just call it as equation number 3. Now working on equation number 2, you have x square plus xy is equals to 2. Taking out x common, you have x bracket x plus y is equals to 2 in the as resultant. Now we are going to divide equation number 3 divided by equation number 4. So equation number 3, we are dividing equation number 3 with equation number 4, that is x upon 2. So this and this term gets cancelled. So we have x minus y upon x is equals to 1 upon 2. Cross multiplying, you get 2 into x minus y is equals to x. Further, you can write it as 2x minus 2y is equals to x. Now bring this x on the left hand side, so signs get changed, and this 2y is taken on the right hand side. So we have x is equals to 2y. Now call this as equation number 5. Now put this value of x in equation number 1, and the equation number 1 is x square minus y square is equals to 1. Putting this value of x from equation number 5 in this equation, you get 2y square minus y square is equals to 1. Here you get 5y square minus y square is equals to 1, or you get 3y square is equals to 1. Now dividing by 3 on both sides, in order to eliminate 3 from the left hand side, you have y square is equals to 1 upon 3. Now in order to calculate y, just take root on both sides. So this 2 and this root gets cancelled. So y is equals to plus minus 1 upon under root 3. Now in order to rationalize it, we are going to divide and multiply it with under root 3. So we get here under root 3 upon 3. Now we have two solutions of y. Now y1 is under root 3 upon 3 and y2 is under root 3 upon 3 with a negative sign. Now for y1 under root 3 upon 2, we are going to evaluate x from this equation. So we get x1 is equals to 2 into under root 3 upon 3, or you can say x1 is 2 under root 3 upon 3. And similarly for evaluating x2, for y2 we have x is equals to 2y. Putting this value, we get x2 is equals to minus 2 under root 3 upon 2. So we have x1 and y1 is equals to 2 under root 3 upon 3 and x2 comma y2 is equals to minus 2 under root 3 upon 3 minus under root 3 upon 3. Now let's verify that whether our solutions are correct or incorrect. Putting the values in the main equation, that is x square minus y square is equals to 1. Checking for x1 comma y1, that is equals to 2 under root 3 upon 3 comma under root 3 upon 3. Putting these values 2 under root 3 upon 3 whole square minus under root 3 upon 3 whole square is equals to 1. Here you get, this is 2 square into 3 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9 is equals to 1. So this 3 and this 9 gets cancelled. Here you get 4 upon 3 minus this 3 and this 9 gets cancelled. You get 1 upon 3 is equals to 1. Then this implies that this is 4 minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 1. So this is equals to 3 upon 3, which is equals to 1. So x1 and y1 is the solution of this equation. This is verified. Now let's go for the next solution, that is x2 comma y2 is equals to minus 2 under root 3 upon 3 minus 3. Now putting this value in this equation number 1, that is x square minus y square is equals to 1, by putting the values, here you get this minus sign gets changed because there is an even power. So you get 2 square into 3 upon 9 minus, here you get 3 upon 9 is equals to 1. As you cancelled before, you can write this as 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, and here you get 4 minus 1 upon 3, and this is equals to, which is equals to. So the solutions for the given for equations is x1 and y1 is equals to this, and x2 y2 is equals to this.